Well, dang it. I can't win on this one. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, we're in a parking lot, which I do quite a bit, as you know. Today, we are working on this Holiday Rambler Scepter. It is a Class A motorhome, of course, and he's having trouble with slide room. Something I don't think I've ever seen. The timing bars broke in the middle. So let me take you around there and show you what's going on. And Lowe's is right up on the hill right there, and I hope that we can get the right size piece of square tubing to fix that timing bar. I don't know, we're gonna see. We're gonna take a piece of it out and run up to Lowe's and see what we got. That's the timing bar right there. It runs between that gear pack and that gear pack over there, and it keeps the room in time. Well, this,
you see where, okay.
Yeah, the small piece goes inside that larger piece, and that's what's broken. So I got some wrenches in my pocket. We'll take that bolt out and see if we can get that piece of that out, and then we're gonna go see if we can get some more. We need to look around, make sure there's nothing hung up underneath the room or anything. I got the nut off. I need to get the bolt out.
I didn't hear you. It's too far.
I'm talking to the camera.
Sorry.
That's okay. Oh. Alright, so we got that broken piece out. Now I need to rotate this a little bit.
I didn't hear you. I'm sorry.
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh. I better be quiet.
Alright, so now I can get to that bolt, and probably just have to screw that bolt out. It may just come out. Usually you got to screw them out. And slide it back. Oh, there it is. Okay, got the bolt out. So there's, I have to get a hammer after that, hammer that off. Oh, okay. All right, we got that piece out, so I'll head to Lowe's here in a minute. See if I can find a piece of square tubing like that size. I did go ahead and check to see how square the room was. It is out a little bit right now, so we'll have to get it back in time before we put the timing bar back together. Let me show you. It's just super high tech. You just measure. We got like 16 from the side of the motorhome to the room. Then we come down here, do the same thing. Then we've got like 14 and a half. So we need to run this end out a little bit, or that end in a little bit, before we hook up the timing bar. So let me head to Lowe's and I'll report back. Yeah, Lowe's didn't have anything that was even close. Oh man, what a morning. Yeah, as you can see, that piece of square tubing was destroyed. I went back to the house and I found this piece, and that's all I've got. It's about 6 inches too short, and that is all I had. I went to a steel place over here where I buy all my steel. They didn't have anything these exact ID and OD. So they're looking at like an architectural steel place to see if they can find this, but I don't know if this guy's gonna hang around that long. So I'm gonna probably have to put it back together with this. This is about 6 inches too short, which means there will only be about this much, about 3 inches inside the larger square tube. Not ideal. You know, we just always be just a little bit longer, but in this case I'm just gonna have to work with what I got, I think. So I don't think it's ideal, because I'm afraid what's gonna happen is it's gonna want to spread the larger square tubing. So I don't know, I guess we're just gonna have to try it, see what happens. So let's go over and start reassembling. Well, change of plan. Customer's gonna hang around here for a few days. The guys at SteelCon, where I buy my steel, are looking I think, did I already tell y'all this? They're looking at a place that has does architectural steel. See if they can get us a piece of that. So I left them with a broken piece so they can get measurements. And so I'm gonna do. I gotta pull a slide topper off that's broke. A couple of little odds and ends. I'm gonna do that while I'm here. I don't think I'm gonna video any of that. And so yeah, we're gonna see if we can get a piece of that square tubing. So that might be it on this. The guy might travel just like this. He's been traveling like this for 800 miles with the slide room out. So, whew, okay. So anywho, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a fantastic day. Change of plans. This is the next day. Yesterday afternoon, I was actually on my way home from another job, and I thought, hey, wait a minute. I got 2 short pieces of square tubing that aren't long enough. What if I weld them together? So that's what I did. So let's go see if this is gonna work. Hopefully it will. All right. The first thing I done was measured, just like I did yesterday, and this side of the room is out about 1.5 inches farther than that side. So let's see if we can adjust that real quick. Wind's blowing a little bit today. My stuff keeps wanting to blow away. Get this bolt out of here. You know what? Actually, we might just use that bolt. So this side needs to go in about 1.5 inches. Well, I'd say right there's your problem. It sure ain't moving very well. Oh, not well at all. Yeah, I just bent that bolt. That's a grade 8 bolt. Just trying to move that thing. Yeah, maybe that's what broke it. Okay, I wished I hadn't done that. Now I gotta cut that bolt out. Awesome. Yep. Alright, let me regroup. Okay, actually, I was trying to go the wrong way. His side needs to come out. So, well, that won't go in there. Alright, I know get a smaller lineup tool. Well, I don't know. Let's see if I can get it to come out without bending that bolt anymore. Oh, there we go. Now I can get this out of the way. Slide that on there. Slide that bolt back in. And I should be able to turn this then. Use my crescent hammer. Because every tool has a hammer side, right? And let's see what happens here. So we're going to try to come out that way. Oof. Oh man, that is stiff. Yeah, I don't know what's going to happen here, folks. May still not have accomplished a thing. Now I can't get the bolt out, of course. There we are. Let me see how close we are now. Let me go out and measure again. I'm just measuring from the side of the room to the motorhome, just like I did yesterday. Let's see how close we are. Hang on, folks. Another plot twist. This job just is not going well at all. Well, dang it. I can't win on this one. Yeah, I tried to use the motor to move one end of the room. The other end was broke. Also, I hadn't seen that end yet. I had to take a bolt out of one of the compartments. So it's not one that opens and closes. It's actually fastened to the motorhome. Customer's like, you know what? It's just let's quit. He didn't want to spend any more money on it. Like I say, he's been driving it with the slide out for quite some time, so he's gonna go to Indiana, see if he can get it fixed. So yeah, that's really gonna be it for this one. That's all I got. He just decided not to waste any more of his money and my time, and he's gonna go up road. So y'all go up road. We'll catch you later.